How to stop Microsoft Edge browser still running in the background, easy fix. In this video, I am going to teach you exactly how to stop Microsoft Edge from running in the background, even after you've closed it, so it stops eating your RAM and system resources. Edge has a built-in setting that lets it and some of its extensions keep running quietly even after you've closed every window. Let's fix it properly, starting with the easy settings and moving to the more advanced ones if needed. Step 1. Open Microsoft Edge and click the three-dot menu in the top right corner, then select Settings. You can also just type edge://settings/system directly into the address bar. Step 2. Click into System and Performance from the left-hand menu. Step 3. Turn off Continue running background extensions and apps when Microsoft Edge is closed, and also turn off Startup Boost right below it. These two settings together are the main reason Edge keeps quietly running after you think you've closed it. Step 4. Restart your computer after making these changes, since some of these settings only fully take effect after a reboot. Step 5. If Edge is still lingering in the background afterward, check your Windows background app permissions separately. Go to Settings, then Privacy and Security, then Background Apps, and turn off the toggle for Microsoft Edge there as well. Step 6. Check your Startup Apps list too. Go to Settings, then Apps, then Startup, and disable Edge if it's listed there, since a scheduled startup launch is a common reason it reappears even after you've disabled the in-browser settings. Step 7. For a more permanent fix, especially if the settings keep reverting, open Registry Editor by pressing Windows key plus R, typing regedit and hitting Enter. Navigate to Computer, then HKEY Local Machine, then Software, then Policies, then Microsoft Edge, then Main. Right-click in the empty space, select New, then DWORD 32-bit value, name it Relaunch and set its value to 0. Here's a pro tip. If Edge still shows up in Task Manager after all of this, open Task Manager directly, right-click on any active Edge process and select End Task as an immediate fix. It's not permanent on its own, but it's the fastest way to reclaim your memory in the moment while your other settings changes take full effect after your next restart. So that's exactly how to stop Microsoft Edge from running in the background and reclaim your system's memory. If this helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more Windows troubleshooting guides, and let me know in the comments, did the registry fix work for you?